Welcome back to Monte Carlo, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a healthy and yummy one mix fruitcake. So first of all you'll need a mixer, a cake tin, a sifter, a bowl, a scale, a spatula, a knife, a teaspoon and a tablespoon, a board to cut, plates, 2 cups, flour, nuts, marmalade, prunes, raisins, eggs, sugar, cinnamon, and mixed spices. If you have this type of scale, just need to press that button and then put the plate on so it goes back to 0 grams. So you'll need 4 eggs that you'll mix first. And then I prefer opening in a cup then putting in a bowl, but that's like you want. Then you'll need 3 tablespoons of milk, (340 grams of sifted self-raising flour, then 40 grams of chopped walnuts, 270 grams of mixed dried fruit, so you can put whatever you want. I put prunes and raisins, but it can be whatever kind of mixed dried fruit you want to put in. Then half a teaspoon of cinnamon. So I'm doing it with dessert spoon, so I'm doing a whole one. But then 1 large tablespoon of marmalade, so I've got a dessert spoon, so it's 2 of them. Then, as I said before, we're mixing the 4 eggs first in the mixer. Then we're going to add the milk. Then the nuts. This is a one mix, so you can add it. I did it in this order, but you can do it in whichever order you want. It doesn't need to be this particular order. Now I'm putting in the spices. As I forgot to tell you before, you'll need 185 grams of brown sugar. Then you'll need 230 grams of soft margarine. Then we add the flour. Then all the dried fruit. Then even if you have a non-stick cake tin, it's better to grease it with margarine or butter on a piece of paper. Then if you don't have this texture, well, you can add some milk if it's too thick. So I use this technique is to put the knife in once the timer is done, and then if it comes out clear like it did in the video, well, it's time to take your cake out. Before turning your cake over, don't forget to rest your cake for another 5 minutes once it's out of the oven. Thanks for watching and hope you enjoy the cake, and don't forget to check out our next video.